Why
not?
Why couldn't you work a job in Chicago?
I got a face card. I can't.
Oh, I got you. People
like,
know you.
say if I'm behind the counter at McDonald's, somebody coming out there do something crazy.
Yeah. Shoot up McDonald's for no damn reason.
Yeah,
Just 'cause
something
you
like
work
that.
there.
Like,
See, that's why we need more black-owned businesses right there.
Why is that?
Because he can hire people like
Oh,
King
yeah,
Von.
absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? Vaughn wouldn't be able to get a job nowhere else probably.
Oh, what?
Shit, when you get to that line, have you ever been convicted of...
You then start making...
Have you ever been
no
arrested
experience is doing nothing. I ain't, you know.
All right.
Word.